I'm Michaela. I'm going to quickly walk you through the COE lesson plan template and explain what each section is for and why it matters. Once you see how all the parts connect, lesson planning actually feels a lot less overwhelming. Classroom and student factors. First up is classroom and student factors. This is basically thinking about who's in your room, English learners, students with IEPs, gifted kids, behavior challenges, different reading levels. You need this info because you can't plan a good lesson without knowing your students. This is also where you decide how to group them: whole group, small groups, partners, stuff like that. Standards. Next are the standards. Standards tell you what students are supposed to learn, the big goals from the state. Everything you do in the lesson should connect back to the standards. Objectives. Then come the objectives. This is what students should be able to do by the end of the lesson. It needs to be measurable. So instead of saying students will understand, say students will compare two characters or solve digit addition problems. Objectives guide everything else. Anticipatory set. The anticipatory set is your hook. How you start the lesson and grab attention. Could be a question, a short video, a picture, or a quick game. The idea is to connect to what they already know and get them ready to learn. Next is representation, engagement, expression. Representation, this is how you present the lesson. Visuals, read alouds, anchor charts, videos, anything to help students understand not everyone learns the same way, so variety matters. Engagement, this is how you keep students involved. Partner work, movement, discussions, games, tech, anything to stop them from zoning out. Expression, this is how students show what they learn: writing, drawing, presenting, or using digital tools. Giving options lets them show understanding in ways that fit them. Next is differentiation. Differentiation is all about adjusting the lesson for different learners so everyone can succeed. For English learners, I might give sentence starters, show pictures for key vocabulary, or provide word banks to help them understand the content. For students with special needs, I could give them extra time on tasks, break assignments into smaller steps, or provide directions one step at a time. For gifted students, I like to give challenge questions or enrichment activities that let them go deeper into the topic. And for students who finish early, I make sure to have extra activities or extension tasks ready so they can keep learning instead of just sitting around. Next up is assessment data alignment. Assessment is how you know if they actually learned it. Exit tickets, quizzes, classwork, or just observing them. Use a data like pretests, benchmark scores, or IEP goals to help plan your lesson. And alignment is key. Standards, objectives, activities, and assessments all need to match. If your objective says analyze the assessment, can't just ask students to define something. Everything has to connect. Next up is extension and technology. Extension or homework just helps reinforce or build on what students learned. Technology can make lessons more fun, especially for younger kids. Apps, interactive whiteboards, or digital activities can keep students interested and give instant feedback. So that's the COE lesson plan template. Each part has a purpose. When you think through each section and make sure everything lines up, your lesson ends up being way clearer and more effective. Thanks for watching.